Here are instructions for capturing a screenshot. So go ahead on your Springfield College website, and I'm going to go to Photo of the Day Archives and scroll down to whatever particular picture you'd like to take a screenshot of. And then over in the bottom left on the taskbar, the little window symbol is the start button. Go ahead and click that, and then scroll down looking for Windows Accessories. And then from there, scroll down and you're looking for what's called Snipping tool. That's the long way to find the Snipping tool. If you actually just type where the magnifying glass is, type here to search. If I actually just type S, I get Snipping tool. It's a lot quicker. So go ahead and select Snipping tool. And then it doesn't matter if this is in the way, because when you're capturing a screenshot, this will not be part of it. So I'm just going to click New. The screen does a little fading out, and then the arrow changes to a crosshair plus sign, and you're just going to left click, hold, and drag for as much or as little if you like of the actual picture you'd like, and then let go. And you've captured exactly what you want. No more, no less, just what you need. Go ahead and file, save as, put it either in My Documents or the desktop. Once you saved it, then go ahead and upload it into Brightspace. Thank you.